A vast number of people today navigate their lives by a single underlying assumption that human existence is governed by random chance, floating through a universe devoid of a sovereign architect. This is the philosophy of the cosmic lottery. Like spheres in a Gelton board, we view our successes and failures as the result of a chaotic, random maze. We call it luck, assuming outcomes are unpredictable distribution. But attributed to mere luck, events lose their significance. The spheres dissolve into isolated, disconnected dots. Because you haven't connected the event to a larger intent, it carries no meaning. This creates a vacuum in our daily experience. If everything is just a roll of the dice, then nothing, no matter how significant it feels, actually happens for a reason. Living life as a cosmic lottery ultimately renders your individual journey entirely arbitrary. It leaves you with no foundation for identity, setting the stage for a profound crisis of meaning. That lack of meaning carries a heavy psychological toll, especially when we face hardship. If the universe is random, then our suffering is just another meaningless collision. This logic leads to a devastating conclusion, the idea that you are a mistake. It suggests that your existence isn't a choice, but a statistical error in a cold system. This feeling is often amplified by our origins. For those coming from broken families or traumatic situations, a worldview built on chance offers no way to see themselves as anything other than illegitimate. A worldview built solely on random forces leaves us empty-handed. It provides no structural basis for inherent self-worth, leaving us to define our value by the shifting winds of fortune. These two systems cannot coexist. You are either the result of erratic, colliding particles, or you are part of a synchronized, intentional order. A sovereign God and random chance are logically incompatible. Such precise, preemptive knowledge rules out the possibility of an accidental life. If you are known this deeply before you ever take a breath, you cannot be a product of chance. This must be reconciled with the reality of human pain. Many of us come from dark origins, situations marked by trauma, neglect, or brokenness. Yet the theological principle remains. Regardless of the circumstances of conception, your physical formation required God to go to work. The scripture describes a creator weaving you together in the womb. There is a vital distinction here. While there may be illegitimate relationships, there is no such thing as an illegitimate child. The deliberate, intricate labor of weaving a life makes that life inherently legitimate. The effort expended in your creation is the proof of your validity. This intentional formation overrides any chaos surrounding your origin. Every human life is granted absolute validity through the act of being made. This formation isn't just a vague spiritual idea. It manifests in the tangible, highly specific variables that make you, you. This design includes characteristics like your race and your gender, traits intentionally selected by the Creator. Even your DNA was orchestrated. This diagram illustrates how specific variables, like your height, are the result of data bars locking into unique, customized values according to a blueprint. This blueprint also includes the nuances of your personality, your unique talents, and the specific quirks that define how you interact with the world. These traits are not evolutionary accidents or lucky genetic rolls. They are the deliberate strokes of a master designer creating a unique individual. This leads back to the fundamental question: why are you the way you are? You are this way because the Creator made you the specific version of you He required for His purposes. This intentional design is the ultimate source of your uniqueness. You aren't just one in a billion. You are a custom-made solution for a specific plan. Because this design is deliberate, your intrinsic value is absolute. Your worth is not earned through your performance, but established through your creation. Recognizing this sovereign design allows you to finally step out of the lottery. It transforms a life of random events into a life of profound and undeniable purpose.